Kyle, this is Christopher at Tameron Honda here in Hoover. I wanted to thank you for the opportunity on my Honda CRV. We are in the midst of one of the biggest opening months we've ever had in Tameron lore. Give me a call, Kyle, 205-623-6028. I'll be sure to have the vehicle of your choice pulled up before you get here to make this the best car buying experience you've ever had. The new CRV has standard Bluetooth and backup camera. On EX and above trims, you're going to get your turbocharged engine, 18-inch rim. You can get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. You can have push button start, remote start, depending on what trim level you choose. So Kyle, give me a call. I'll be open today until 8 o'clock, and tomorrow I open from 9 until 8. Give me a call, 205-623-6028. And Kyle, when you make it into Tameron Honda to see me, you are going to love the way you're treated.